Hi everyone, this is Marley and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I plant my eggplant and pepper seeds and how to make sure that they germinate. This is my setup. I have a 72 cell seedling tray. I'm using the Jiffy peat pellets and I have prepped this already. I have added some lukewarm water and the pellets have expanded, and then I used a pencil to kind of open the top of the pellets, and then I scratched the top of the peat pellets with a pointy pencil. You can also use a toothpick like this. And this one is ready for planting. In the past, I have used some plant markers like this. Now this one comes with a seedling tray, and I have also tried cutting this solo cup in pieces and then writing the names of the plants using a permanent marker. The problem with the individual plant markers is that sometimes they fall over, or sometimes my children play with them and then they fall, and then after that they would put the marker back in the tray, but then they put the marker in a different plant. And so then I don't have the correct marking on my plant. So to kind of address that issue, I created a chart. So this one is labeled tray number 1. And then what I do is I write down the names of the plants that's gonna go into the cell. So this one is a 72 cell chart. This one means the long purple eggplant will go into this two boxes: Black Beauty eggplant, Casper eggplant, Little Fingers eggplant, early long purple eggplant, and another Casper eggplant. This one's from M.I. Gardner. And then the other Casper eggplant is from Baker Creek Seeds. And then here, you can see on top, I have the giant Marconi, Corno de Toro. Now this all in here are names of the different varieties of peppers that I'm going to be planting. There's Jimmy Nardello, the Red Bell, Grand Bell Mix, Jalapeno Hot Pepper, Keystone Resistant, Big Red Pepper, Purple Beauty, and the YOLO Wonder. And then I label this, the bottom part is the front. And then what I do is that I I write the word front and then tray number 1 on a sticker, and then I'm going to stick this one on one side of the tray, so it's gonna go right here, so I know that this is the front. And when I read my chart, I'm gonna read the chart this way, where these 2 rows are eggplants and then the rest of this are the peppers. I have dropped the eggplant seeds in the first 2 rows, and if you noticed, I overseeded these rows. It's because these eggplant seeds are 2 to 3 years already, and I'm not sure if they still have a good germination. Last year it was average, so I'm hoping that I can get some, and I accidentally dropped a lot in here, but that's fine because I have a lot of those seeds. And now I am getting ready to drop the pepper seeds in the rest of the peat pellets. I also overseeded most of the pepper cells except for the purple beauty peppers, because I realized that I only had 7 seeds left of the purple beauty, so that's why I have 2 in here and then 1 in each of the other cells, but the rest of them have 4 or 5, some even have 6 seeds. And then I'll just pick the strongest seedling and cut off the rest of the weaker seedlings, or I might have to save a couple of them in each cell. Who knows? And I'm going to show you a picture of the peppers that I planted: YOLO Wonder, Purple Beauty, Big Red, Keystone Resistant, Jalapeno Hot Pepper. The Grand Bell Mix is from Dollar Tree. And then these ones in here were harvested from my garden: the Red Bell, Jimmy Nardello, Corno di Toro, and the giant Marconi. These are the pictures of the giant Marconi peppers, the Corno di Toro, and the Giminardello. These are three of my most favorite peppers. And then I just realized that I ran out of sweet banana peppers, so I'm gonna have to order some of those. And then for the eggplants, I have the long purple eggplant. This one is Black Beauty, Little Fingers eggplant, the Casper eggplant from Baker Creek, Casper eggplant from M.I. Gardner, and early long purple eggplant that I got from Lowe's. I'm gonna go ahead and start pushing these seeds down into the seed starting medium using a toothpick. Now that I am done covering the seeds with the seed starting mix, I transfer the tray into my seedling shelf. And then I'm gonna put this tray on top of a heat mat. This is a cheap heat mat that I got from Amazon. I think I paid about $10 for this one a couple of years ago. And so this tray is gonna go on top of the heat mat. This is actually a pretty cool heat mat because it also tells you the germination days at a certain temperature, for example 70 to 85 degrees, and then planting eggplants, it says 6 to 7 days germination, and for the peppers that is 7 to 10 days. I put the dome over the seedling tray, and then I'm gonna need to plug up the heat mat. So this should provide a temperature between 75 to 80, and that is a good temperature to germinate your eggplants and your peppers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like contents like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Gardening in Kentucky. Thank you for watching and see you next time!